Hello guys. Yes guys, enjoy. Yes. Woo. Go try the strategy by AUDJPY. Yes guys. This 11 pip SL setup. Really amazing setup guys. Perfect setup. Perfect man. Okay, that's nice move, man. Yes. Wow. Yes. Nice entry, but already 1:1 now. But okay, come on. Sniper shot. Yes. Go try the strategy, man. Go try the strategy now. Yeah, 11 just 11:22. Is it done? I will move some profit taking off. Yes, guys, come on, guys. Go try the strategy, man. This is a go try the strategy, man. Beautiful, and see how his market react. This is a strategy, man. This is a strategy, man. Yes. That is our really amazing profit. Really amazing profit. Yes, baby. Full profit. On the TP1, I already. Nice move. Market is already move 1:1, but anyhow, market is still manipulating now. We'll see how this market react. GBPCHF, but anyhow, we got very nice profit now. AUDJPY. We'll see how this market react. Sniper setup. ஹலோ ராம், கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் பண்ணுறேன். நான் ட்ரெயினில் இருக்கேன்டா, கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் பண்ணுறோம். ஒரு 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 10 மினிட்ஸ் ப்ளீஸா. Hello guys, hello what? This is your ghost Ida. Yes, today I catch this AUDJPY. Really amazing profit, guys. Move into the sniper shot. Just 11 people SL now. It's move 1:2 ratio. TP is going to hit now. Now it's flying. Really amazing week today. It is the first trade of Monday, first trade. At the same time, I got another setup also. Still manipulating GBPCHF. Already move 1:1. Anyhow, I'm waiting for this setup. And yes guys, I told you guys, I tried to catch USD but I didn't get a perfect confirmation. But AUDJPY, oh my god, really sniper shot, man, really amazing shot. Anyhow, I'm happy today because I got 1:2 ratio. Now I'm making B now. Really amazing, man. This is a ghost rider strategy, man. Enjoy.